Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my workshop. I'm Yaka the jeweler, and that's my computer I'm busy doing the final edit on before I start my day as an actual goldsmith. And I figured, why not introduce this video that you're watching currently and involve you. So, welcome to my video of an 18 karat red gold diamond halo. How's the D?
Hi.
Have a look at my new video.
All right. It was an 18 karat rose.
18 karat rose gold, yeah.
Halo. Beautiful.
Started with a 3mm square tube or square bar.
Nice, nice. Annealing it to soften it up.
Yeah, I'm doing the setting first so that we can build the ring around it.
Nice. Yeah, that centerpiece.
Yeah, you need the spacing is very important with a halo ring.
Okay. And that's also determined by finger size, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's got to do more with the stone sizes because of the top.
Okay.
So you got to have that little gap. So you got to start with the center and go outwards.
I see. Oh, that's nice. And you're making that the same diameter as the stone?
Yeah, you got to make the center setting exactly the same diameter so that you don't see the tube from the top.
That makes sense. Makes sense.
I'm using a file, and I found this rubber wheel where it fits on perfectly just to shape it.
What?
Yeah, I was lucky.
I thought you were holding out on me. Because I don't know about that.
Yeah, just working it down so it's nice and neat. So that's basically the same diameter as the diamond now.
That's brilliant. That's satisfying. Perfect.
Yeah,
So
it's nice,
cool.
nice. Here's that same trick I've been talking about in my other videos as well. You find that little mark over there is with the solder markers, and then you just press down to determine the four corners.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's clever. And then you just take it to the outside, you create the grooves.
Nice.
See how I've curved these wires, the claws. I've done like a parallel U shape so that you can see visually what's going on. You don't have to try and balance individual wires.
Yes, that's nice.
Yeah, you just cut it at the bottom. I like cutting gold wire, yeah. Something about it.
Yeah, something about working with gold. It's more precious, obviously.
No, but it doesn't react like steel, for instance. It's a soft metal, sort of.
Yeah, but not so
It
soft.
allows you to play with it like a putty, doesn't it?
I suppose so.
So can you see how you've got it doesn't quite fit in there because I've taken those grooves and I've taken the grooves just like a third in. Let me explain that quickly. So you've got the stone that's exactly the same size as the actual setting. You've noticed I've got 4 prongs over there, so I've got 4 areas which I've then grooved slightly in for the prongs to sit in. So now the stone's not going to sit straight on top of the setting because the claws are going to be slightly in. The depth that I've used over there is about 1/3 of the actual claw. So just if this is the claw, let me draw it. If that's the claw, and you're going 1/3, so you've got 3 parts of it, just about 1/3 width of length is where I like to cut, which gives you 2/3 of strength on the one side. That's just the way I do it, but it's worked for all the time I've been doing set work. So.
Okay, yeah.
So sorry, what did you want to say?
No, so is that because you're going to carve the little...
Yeah,
What are you going to do to get the stone to fit?
I'm gonna use a lens phrase and then cut just 1/3 into the actual ring, into the claws. That's for the halos. I've done the same with that punch. As you can see, there's 4 corners.
Nice.
All I have to do is just line it up, groove it up like that, and then plug the other one in like a Lego block.
Nice. Looks like a spaceship.
Yeah, I was going for that spaceship vibe. That's how you get that perfect circle going, that little gap, consistently.
Yes. Oh, that's nice.
This is where I'm putting the diamonds down to see exactly what the spacing is going to be like. But I'm not soldering in the setting. This was actually the part where I made this part, split it in 4 pieces, and then I bent them open so that we got that split shank type of. So all of them are bent, and then you bring them together and you create that split shank.
That's lovely.
You can cut that as well, but it's just neater if you do it this way.
I remember I remember making
Yeah, you
one of them.
done one of those as well.
Yeah. Very nice. And that's the shank to be.
Yeah, that's how it comes out if you've
There
soldered
it
it all
is.
together, yeah. And see, I've made that ring in the background there. I've made that so to join onto the bottom. I've got all the parts now, and I've put a little cone underneath the halo diamond part. So these are just basically parts ready for assembly now.
Nice.
I've got to solder that part onto the ring. And you see, I also didn't use a solder. I didn't need the solder mark over there, otherwise we'd have too many solder marks. So I cut it halfway from the solder mark,
Nice one.
and I'm just shaping it here.
Yeah, that's the satisfying part.
It is actually, yeah.
I love rose gold, but only 18 karat.
It's got a nice look to it, doesn't it? It's nice and sort of natural.
Yeah, it's nice to work
Look
with.
how nice soft the inside is over there. It's
Is
really-
that like a court?
Yeah, cord shape or a comfy fit. I don't know what people call it around the world, but we call it a cord shape here in the UK.
Oh, that's very lovely.
So everything's soldered now except for that middle setting. That center setting is not soldered yet.
Okay.
I'm trying to keep that out so that I can really get to the set work around it.
Okay.
So I'm going to preset the
Stones around.
the halo as well as the shank,
Okay.
and then so I've drilled the little holes over there just to mark it out. I'll space them out equally.
Okay.
You see, without that middle setting now, I've got all the access.
Oh, I see.
Then I put the parallel phrase right through before I drop the stones in. Then I just split. Can you see I split those little parts?
How do you split them?
I use a little engraving tool. I actually sharpen one up to about a 45-degree angle. Just split the two in between.
Nice. Oh, that's pretty already. Who needs a center stone?
Well, she does.
Yeah. Definitely.
That's the center stone right there.
Oh, that's so lovely.
Yeah, it's a really pretty ring.
Beautiful. That's lovely.
That red gold really looks apart.
Yeah. It almost looks like antique gold.
Yeah, look at my like and subscribe area. I've got a little hand.
Very convincing.
And that hand over there clicks on the Instagram link, which means that all my latest videos will be featured over there. Well, thanks for watching this with me.
No problem, Pops.
Yeah, it was good.
Until next time.
Cheers.
Boom.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Right till the end, as per usual. I've got to get back to my bench, but I've got a big ring I'm busy with. There's a link to my Instagram account under Jaco the Jeweler. You can always find the latest video under link in my account. If you like my Instagram post, you can see the latest stuff I'm busy working with on the bench.